Hello Virgos, this is your monthly reading for the month of May. So let's check out your love energy. First, we are taking overall energy for you and your partner, then how you feel versus how they feel, the final outcome, and at the last, we have a song. So let's check out overall theme for my beautiful Virgos for the month of May. Overall theme for my beautiful Virgos. Okay, let me take. So you have the financial discipline, you have a moderation reverse, and you also have the efforts. So you are not accepting some sort of a changes in the month of May. You have to change your ways in some sort of a way, but like you just want to chase your dreams. Bottom of the deck, follow your dreams. So you just too much focus on chasing your dreams related to financial discipline, because your basic target is like a financial discipline in your life. So you are maintaining some sort of a, you are putting your effort into your financial situation. And moderation is like reverse, is like you are not accepting some sort of a change. There is a need of change in your life to get the financial situation done, but you are not accepting any sort of changes. You are just simply want the financial discipline, want the want to put the efforts in your financial area to get the financial dreams come true in your life. You are like want to do things in your own way, right? You are not accepting the change. So I am getting that little bit need of change in required to achieve your goals, right? But you are putting enough efforts into the situation, into your financial area, and you are chasing your dreams for the month of May. That is all related to financial stability. So let me take, your total focus is like on financial stability. So let's see your partner's overall theme for the month of May. Rebirth. So something is like related to rebirth, starting again, right? This is also a card of spiritual journey. So maybe your partner is going through some awakening or reborn process. One more card, self love. So your partner is like totally focused on self love. See, rebirth is the card of self love. Their total focus on themselves. They are taking care of themselves. They are taking care of their good health and each and everything. So this person is like on a spiritual journey, right? Or some awakening when they have to just focus upon themselves. And your focus is also on your financial stability. So let's check out how you feel towards your partner. But if you want a financial discipline in your life, then you have to be little more adaptive towards new changes or new ideas, right? So let me check out your love energy towards your partner. How my Virgos feeling towards their partner. Six of Cup. You definitely feel the soulful connection with your partner. You have some good memories together, right? So you are just thinking about your old memories, that the beautiful time period you are sharing with your partner. You feel the deep soulful connection, right? So this is the card when you are just thinking about your memories related to that person. So let's see how they feel. This is, see, if this person is not giving you that much time, then this is the some sort of a divine timing in their life that they have to give that time to themselves, right? So don't rush over the situation, give them enough time, because see, they have 16 and the 61, 1 6 and the 6 1, some sort of a importance of this number 1 6 or 6 1. See the synchronicity, and bottom of the deck you see the synchronicity card, some sort of a karmic completion in their life. See, karmic completion, something is like karmic endings in your person's life, and the synchronicity is like some sort of a divine, this is all fated in their life that they have to devote that time period towards them, right? They have to focus on self love. So let's see their love energy towards you. So I just wanna give advice to my beautiful Virgos that don't rush the situation, give them enough time. So let's see your partner's love energy towards you. So they have three cards like Wheel of Fortune, the Empress card, and the Judgment. So this is, and bottom of the deck, Devil card. See, this person may be obsessed with you, or they feel the toxicity in this connection in some sort of a way, or maybe they are dealing with some sort of addictions in their life, bad habits, maybe alcohol, workaholic, whatever. But they are do feeling some sort of a negative energy that they have to overcome, right? Maybe they have a simply obsession over you, so they have to let go of these issues from their life. And Wheel of Fortune is like turning, so like luck is also moving into their favor, so they have to focus upon self love, so that they come out from this kind of a negative energy, so that they become turn their situation and become a empress. So they are moving toward from this devil energy to this empress energy. That means this person working hard upon themselves, they are eliminating the bad habits, and they are introducing some sort of a good and healthy lifestyle in their life, so that they become a empress is the like a combination of all the four queens. So this person know how to create, how to manifest their life, how to be build each and everything. This person at the last of this month of May, they are gaining their power back, they are become the boss of their life, and they are like in their power, right? They are gaining their power back. And the Judgment card is like something from the past, like something from the past, and this is also a card of reconciliation. So something from the past that is again entering in their life, right? So maybe that is like the devil in their life, something from the past, something, some habits or something is like popping them, and they have to eliminate some sort of a negativity from their life. So let's check out your love energy. Your love energy towards your partner. I'm not taking that much cards. Let me shuffle again. Your love energy. Okay, so we have two cards, King of Cups and the Two of Cups. You have all the cups in your reading. You are all about love. You are totally in deep love with your partner. But the thing is, you are not expressing your love towards your partner. You are just remember all the memories that you share with this person, but you are not expressing. You are holding back your emotions. But deep inside, you feel the soulful connection, and you have a lot of love and emotions for this person. You are all about the. You have a lot of emotions for this person, but your focus is like first to become a stable. You want a stability in your financial situation. And Two of Cups, you definitely want to exchange your love of cups with your partner, right? So, and Nine of Cups is also like this person is your emotional satisfaction, final outcome of your connection, final outcome of your connection. Ace of Cup, new beginning in your love life, right? So this is all about a new beginning in your life that is like a mutual energy. So let me pick out the song for my beautiful Virgos. Take This Love, right? So this is the song Take This Love. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.